Yo, what's good, boys? Welcome back to another trade recap. I meant to put this is actually yesterday's trade recap because I was flat today. Today's actually the third, but I took this on the second. And I had a crazy day yesterday, so I wasn't able to get this video out. But I'm just doing it now, especially because I was flat today. So yeah, let's get into this. This one's gonna be really quickly because I'm about to go to Busch Gardens with Steph, Zaim, and a few of my other trader friends. But yeah, so this is how I caught 45 points in 5 minutes. This is how I caught 45 points in 5 minutes. So yeah, I'll go over it again. Same thing every single day. Came into market open. Looking, it's hard because it's like whatever, but came into market open. This is where around we took the trade. So came into market open pretty bearish. So I definitely was looking for shorts. We had this candle at 9, which some people might say is bullish, but I'm still bearish. We tapped in this 1 hour for value gap, and everything is looking bearish. We're also obviously in downtrend. We have draws, so everything is looking good for me to take shorts. However, I am not a big guy that marries my bias, so don't get that twisted. I trade against my bias all the time, but today I actually was pretty bearish. And then yeah, I honestly wasn't sure if we were gonna get a trade yesterday, but we actually did around 10:44 because if I don't trade after 11, if I don't get a setup before 11, bless me. If I don't get a setup before 11, I don't take it. But we did get a setup at 10:44 today, so I took it. Looked really good. Why did it look good? First of all, we rejected a higher time frame for value gap up here, and then obviously we tapped into it again. And we rejected it again. So a lot of rejections at this like 260s level. We're getting a lot of rejections there. And, for a time we were bouncing in between the two imbalances, but then when we finally broke out, I was like, okay, looks good. And especially when we broke this low, I was like, all right, this looks really good. And obviously you can see how strong we were rejecting here. And so once I get that, and we also inverse a 15-minute, this is a 15-minute where I took my entry off of. I also just needed there to be a draw that I liked, and this draw looked good, and we also had all these draws down here. So, but again, I don't need the draw down here. If you held to the draw down here, you would have hit, I'm pretty sure, but I don't need the whole draw. 45 points is enough for me. And so I entered after we got the close below, put my limit order at that 50% level. And as you can see, we got tapped in there. Pretty much no drawdown. I think we had like max 3 points right here with this little top wick. But other than that, no drawdown. Ran pretty much straight to TP. 45-point trade right there. And really good. Really good. Love these no drawdown trades like this. And as you can see, right after we hit, like technically I could have targeted this low, which would have also hit. But I just really liked this one. Again, like what's the extra like 5 points? Like, I'm completely fine with that. And yeah, as you can see, after we took these lows, we actually pushed up a little bit, and then we actually did continue going down. So a few people did held. I think someone in the Discord held to like 120 points or something like that. If we go to the Discord and go to the trade profits, which I trade here every single day for free, by the way. So I don't know why you're not in here. But this is all yesterday. I'll show you. This is all yesterday. So this guy caught it. Executions, bam. This guy caught 2K. This guy caught $989, so almost a man. This guy caught 1,000. Taking all the same trade, taking it for live. This guy caught 680 on 3 accounts. And then some other people caught it. This guy caught it, I guess. I guess that's what he's sending. This guy caught 200 off of it. This guy caught 800. AJ, Marley, W. Made 500. This guy, I guess, lost it after revenge trade final. Okay. This guy, 300. This guy rode up. Looks like he's on Trade Sinker. Caught, however much that is. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. A lot. And then this guy, that's not even my trade. He was just flexing. And then I guess this guy caught another trade. CRV, I love you. You're live trading today. Help me with my third and final of the day. Fire, bro. Glad. 5 XFAs. This guy caught 500 on 5 XFAs, so he made 2.5K in that day on XFAs. This guy, that's not my trade, so I don't know why he's posting it, and then I think it's just some other stuff. CRV changed my life. I remember being a broke college student, flipping CRV on 600, so I continued away for making 600 a week to my job for 700 a day. Wow. 700 times 5 funded. Wow, 3.5K on that day for him. And I think Softified, if I can find it, I think he bought a car. He bought a car with the trading money, which is honestly amazing. So congrats to Softified. But yeah, I live trade in this Discord every single day, though, if you guys do want to join it. That's where I caught this trade. That's where I'll be trading in the morning. So make sure to click the link in my bio and join that. And make sure to use code CRV at Alpha Futures and MyFunFutures. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for more live trading. All the links in the bio, mentorship link in the bio if you're interested in something like that, and all that. And we'll be back tomorrow for another trader cap and everything like that. So see you guys. Peace. Thanks for watching.